Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's learn English together. This is Majid Ahmadi and welcome to our free English course. This is our 10th session we are starting. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And now in this lesson we are going to learn about adjectives. First we have colors. First one is red, green, yellow, blue, orange, brown, black, white. Now we make some sentences with these objects. For example, you see it's a red cell phone. Repeat after me and you say it's a red cell phone.
It's a red cell phone.
It's a green wallet.
It's a green wallet.
It's a yellow umbrella.
It's a yellow umbrella.
It's a blue book.
It's a blue book.
These are orange glasses.
These are orange glasses.
Yes, because of glasses is plural, we say are. It's a brown desk.
It's a brown desk.
It's a black camera.
It's a black camera.
It's a white cap.
It's a white cap.
Thank you. Okay, now let's look at this picture. What can you see in this picture?
5 cars.
Yes, you say I can see 5 cars.
I can see 5 cars.
Okay, now say the cars with their color. For example, say blue car.
Green car.
Yes.
Yellow car. Red car.
Gray car.
Gray car.
Thank you. Now this color is gray. Okay, now we have a conversation here. Let's listen to this and repeat after the CD, okay?
2.31.
Wow, that's a cool car.
Wow, that's a cool car.
What car? The red car?
What car? The red car?
Yes, look at it. It's great.
Yes, look at it. It's great.
No way. It's a man's car.
No way, it's a man's car.
A man's car.
A man's car?
Yes, it's big and red.
Yes, it's big and red.
And it's very fast.
And it's very fast.
Okay.
Okay.
I prefer small cars.
I prefer small cars.
Wow, look at the yellow car. It's cute.
Wow, look at the yellow car. It's cute.
It's a woman's car.
It's a woman's car.
Thank you very much. Now, the first sentence says that's a cool car. Cool is nice. Cool is nice here. And then said it's great. Great means very, very good. Then it says I prefer small cars. Prefer means like more. And in this sentence it says it's cute. Means it's very beautiful and lovely. Thank you. And now let's go to next slide. On this slide we have some common adjectives. Common means useful, the adjectives that we use most of the time. The first one, repeat after me. Big.
Big.
Large.
Large.
Small.
Small.
Old.
Old.
New.
New.
Fast.
Fast.
Slow.
Slow.
Cheap.
Cheap.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Long.
Long.
Short.
Short.
Tall. short.
Short.
Thank you. Now, look at these sentences. In these sentences, we have a sentence here, then I give a new word, then you make the sentence with this new word. The first one, it's a very big car.
It's a very big car.
Now with fast.
It's a very fast car.
Very nice. Now say cheap.
It's a very cheap car.
Very nice. Now say slow.
It's a very slow car.
Thank you. Next one says my car is small. Now change it to fast.
My car is fast.
Very nice. Expensive.
My car is expensive.
Very nice. Next one. BMWs are expensive. Now change it to fast.
BMWs are fast.
Now change it with new.
BMWs are new.
Thank you. Ferraris are fast cars.
Ferraris are fast cars.
Change it with expensive.
Ferraris are expensive cars.
Thank you. Now, next one. He is tall.
He's tall.
Change it to she. Change.
She's tall.
She is tall. Very good. Now, instead of tall, use short.
She's short.
Very good. Now say pretty.
She's pretty.
Thank you. Now look at this picture. What can you see in this picture?
The red car.
Yes, you can see a red car. Now I ask you a question. Is it a yellow car?
No, it isn't.
Is it a blue car?
No, it isn't.
Is it a red car?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Now I ask some extra questions. Is it a fast car?
Yes, it is.
Is it an expensive car?
Yes, it is.
Is it a slow car?
No, it isn't.
Thank you. Now look at this picture. What can you see here?
A very cute car and a yellow car.
That's right. Now I ask you some questions. Is it a brown car?
No, it isn't.
Is it a black car?
No, it isn't.
Is it a yellow car?
Yes, it is.
That's right. So is it a fast car?
No, it isn't.
That's right. No, it is not a fast car. Now we have two pictures here too. What color are they?
Green.
Yes, both of them are green cars. Now this car, is it a fast car?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Is it a slow car?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Now this picture, is it an old car?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Is it a new car?
Yes, it is.
That's right. Now if you look at this car, I ask you, is it a fast car?
Yes, it is.
Yes, you say, yes it is. And is it an expensive car?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Now let's read this paragraph. Next slide is this paragraph. It's important questions for men when they want to buy a new car. I read it for you, then we find the questions. Mercedes, BMW and Audi are very popular with men. 90% of drivers of the luxurious Mercedes S65 AMG top speed 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour are men. So the first one is luxurious, huh?
Yes.
So what question men ask?
Is it luxurious?
Very good. Is it luxurious? Now number two.
Is it fast?
Very good. And the speed, we talk about speed here. So the
Yes.
second question is it fast? Because of speed. And the last sentence we have big SUVs are also very popular with men.
Is it big?
Yes, because we talk about big cars, so these big cars are very popular with men. Thank you. Let's go to next slide. Now look at this car. What color is it?
Yellow car.
Is it big or small?
Small.
Yes, Yes, it's a small car. Do you think it's a man car or it's a woman car?
It's a woman car.
That's right, it's a car for women. So here we should find out 4 questions that women ask about cars. Honda, Hyundai and Volkswagen are popular with women. 65% of drivers of VW Beetle convertibles are women. 3 of the top 5 women's cars are sport cars, but not very expensive sport cars. So it says they are not very expensive, so it means they are
Cheap.
cheap. So the first question
Is it cheap?
is, new, women prefer safe cars and small cars. So the second question
Is it safe?
is, yes, because of safe cars. And
Is it small?
yes, small cars are easy to park.
Is it easy to park?
Yes, because of size, small cars are easy to park. They ask, is it small or is it easy to park? Both of them are correct. Color is also very important for women. So the last question can be,
Is it a nice color?
yes, is it a nice color? Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Good luck everyone. Bye bye.